Hi guys, my name is Stephanie, welcome back to my channel. So today my video is gonna be a challenge because I see this on a Nikki tutorial and Cardi Bible did this challenge too last week and I thought this is so funny. It's the Google Pick My Makeup challenge. But before to jump into the video, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, to put the thumbs up button if you like this type of video, this type of challenge. And if you have any other challenge you want me to do, just put this in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on my social media, so Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, and Facebook. I always forgot Facebook. It's not a very cool platform anymore, so it's so. Just if you hear some things, my boy is next to me right now, so yeah, it's my mom life. Without further ado, let's jump into the video. So I'm going to see what will be my photo on Google. I hope it's gonna be something very cool, very edgy, like with colorful thing. I don't know. So I'm taping SL Look. It's a black and white bicycle with a little bit of red. So I don't know what I'm going to do. With all this line, I want to do a cut crease because it's very sharp and everything like this. But I don't want to have like something look like 90s, like silver and black. It's not going to be so beautiful. So for my eyes, I'm gonna start with my MAC Soft Ochre Pink Pot on my lid. So I just put a small amount on my eyes. So I'm gonna take my MasterConceal in the shade 20 Light. So with my brush, I just do the tapping motion because I want a full coverage under my eyes because my dark circles are there. They are there for partying in my face. So I'm gonna set my paint pot with the shade 13 right here, the white one. And for this look, I'm gonna jump into a multiple palette because why not? So the first one I'm gonna use is the Naked Smoky palette from Urban Decay. And also I'm gonna use the Naked Basic also from Urban Decay. So I'm just press this color all over my lids, way up to the brow bone. For my crease, I'm gonna use Combust, the second shade. So after that, with the same brush, I'm gonna pick Naked 2 because I'm hella pale, and in the Smoky shadow palette, the next shade is this shade and it's way too dark for my skin tone. So, and I'm gonna put this right under the shade Combust. So I'm gonna take a smaller brush and pick the shade Password, this one, the gray tone one. So I'm gonna do a full cool tone look. And it's been a long time that I'm not doing a cool tone look, so I hope it's gonna be good. So I'm just gonna take the shade Naked 2 with Faint, mix it together and blend the gray with the brown shade, just because right now my line is too harsh for me. So I want to blend this. I have used a lot my Naked Basic palette, but I didn't remember that the palette was so powdery. Every time I put my brush on the eyeshadow, it just... So because this black is not as black I want, I'm gonna take the shade Crave in my Naked Basic. And when you do a dark eyeshadow like this, just put less eyeshadow and build it up, then put too much eyeshadow and you're gonna have a raccoon eye. So just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna cut my crease with my MasterConceal. And I just blend a little bit the edges with my finger, not have a harsh concealer line. For the silver thing on my picture, I will take Amrezy. It's beautiful, but it's dark, so try a little bit of this over. So I'm gonna wipe my outer corner. So for priming my face, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Hydrating Primer. For foundation, I'm gonna use my Makeup Forever 115. For concealer, I'm gonna put my Hydrating from Maybelline in the shade Fair. I just need something closer because right now I'm gonna put my eyes. So to set my concealer, I'm gonna take my CoverFX translucent powder. I will try something. I'm gonna put red in my waterline with red lip liner because I don't have a red eyeliner. So I'm gonna put red there and smoke it up with brown. I don't know. So right now you're gonna see anything because I'm not good to put liner in my waterline and looking at the camera. I'm scared to look like a vampire after that. And I'm gonna blend this out with a brown shadow. So I'm gonna take Faint. So I'm gonna do my brows and my falsies, and I will be back when it's gonna be complete. So I'm gonna finish with the rest of my face and give me a little bit of color because right now I look like a ghost. So for my bronzer, I'm gonna take Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. So this is my son Nate, if you didn't see him. I love my nails, but right now I can't open anything with them. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. palette, it's the blush palette in light, and I'm gonna take this pink shade just right here. So I'm gonna load my brush and just put this on my cheeks. And I'm just gonna put this right here to give me a little bit of color. I'm gonna take my Nicole palette from Anastasia and take 4 bullets in this palette and mix it up with the Amrezy one. I'm gonna first of all put the Amrezy highlight. Gosh, this highlight is so beautiful. And I'm gonna put this on my bridge. And I'm gonna take a Orabel lit. Just right here. So I'm gonna take a Orabel lit and put this in my inner corner. And also under my brow bone. So I'm gonna put my spray and put the PIXI one. I love this spray. And the mist is just so fine. And I'm gonna do my lips. So obviously my lips gonna be very dark and it's gonna be a nude. So I'm gonna line them. And I put the Maybelline Nude Lust on my mouth. This is one of my favorite nude. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video, and I think I'm doing well on this challenge. Like it's not a look that I'm gonna do every day of my life because it's black and silver right now on my eyes, but it's not that bad. I think it's looking quite really good right now. I don't know. What do you think about this? I think I nailed this. Yeah. I hope you liked this video, and I love you so much, and I will see you soon. Bye.